Hey, welcome back everyone. YBG here, also known as the Yellow Backpack Guy. Oh yeah. Anyhow, sorry, it's been a little while. Work has been crazy busy. So, I've been kind of out of the loop here. Unlike Mr. John from Road Reality uploading the videos every other hour. Just kidding. But you get it. It seems like you almost got videos every day. I commend you, John. That's so awesome. And also, Dewey Rides. You post a little less, but when you post, it's freaking amazing, sir. And there's tons and tons of you guys out there that I am watching in the background. You guys rock. Keep doing what you're doing, especially when the weather isn't so great. It's nice to see the upload still during this winter break. Anyhow, I'm just going to do you guys a quick unboxing here of this UltraSafe jump starter, supposedly. I haven't used it yet. We're just going to unbox it. It's not a full review or anything. It's just a quick unboxing of this device. The NOCO Boost HD. It's made in Malaysia, by the way, not China, which I'm trying to avoid China stuff these days. Don't want to get too political, but it's kind of a mess. But yeah, are we recording? Only got one chance to open this. It won't be a true unboxing if I put it back together and reopen it. Anyhow, wow. I know. You guys are gonna be like, let me fast forward this thing. That's okay, you can fast forward to my video. It's gonna be no cuts. It's gonna be a straight, I just record and going to upload in a moment. I don't want to destroy this box. Oh no. This is crazy. Let's see. I guess. Oh man, this is so sad. I'm opening this up like a Christmas present. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. What the heck? Oh wait, this is a. I see. Good going, Mr. YBG. I guess it just pulls off on the side over here. Bummer. My bad. Okay, now let's try and see. Is there any tape? You gotta check for tape. No tape. Okay, we got that off. This thing, I think it just folds out. There we go. What? Nice. Nice. Looks clean. Okay, see, let me push this out a little bit. Alright. What are we getting here? It's got a little weight to it, but it's not too big. I mean, it's looking big in this picture because the camera's so close up. But here you go, NOCO Boost. You're going, are you going to use this on your motorcycle? Probably not. It's probably going to be for the Crown Victoria and our family SUV. But maybe in a pinch you could use it for the bike if you need to jumpstart the bike. But you got to be careful with that. Read the owner's manual for the correct ways safe ways to jumpstart the bike. But normally the best way is probably just to trickle charge it, right? But here we go. There's the negative, got the positive. It's got this big light. I don't know, it's got a power button here. Let's try the light button. Whoa! Oh, that is super bright. That's tight. Wow, that could be totally useful, like, at nighttime. You need to jump the car in the dark. Cool. NOCO Boost HD. I saw on the site, it looks like you could like charge your phone too with this thing. Look, there's a USB. I think you could like charge your phone or devices. It says USB out, 12 volt out. Also here in 12 volt in. That's where you probably charge it there. There's also USB, micro USB. You can see there. You can charge it with micro USB. I think it takes a little while, like maybe 6 hours, 6 to 10 hours, something like that. Cool. Let's see what other cables we got in there. Oops. Sorry about that. I mean to hit you in the head, guys. A little manual. Big manual, actually. It's probably in multiple languages. Is it straight? Is it really like... Okay, no. I think it's fine. Okay, NOCO Boost HD GB70. Yeah. I think it's just, it's a whole bunch of different languages. So I don't think it's super massive. But yeah, a little manual here. I mean, it looks like a big manual, but that's because of multiple languages. What else we got in here? Okay. Oh, it's just this bag. It's a nice bag. Since 1914. Wow. Anyhow, this NOCO HD sent me back almost $200. I think it was like $195 on the Amazon. Interesting. It's a 12 volt connector, like 12 volt to power. Did they give you power? I don't think they give me a power adapter. I think you have to use a USB. Yeah. So this is interesting. This is a one letdown of this device. I'm not trying to make this a review, just kind of observation. So you can charge it with this micro USB cable on the in, on the USB in over here that we saw under there. But there's no block or anything to plug it into, you know, your regular utility power. So you're gonna have to find, you know, a USB like charger you have, like a fast charger, at least a 2 amp charger, to get this going. I think to get this guy charging, because there's no way to plug this in. You got this side. You use this adapter, I guess. Let's see. Oh, this is a cigarette lighter. You can charge this in your car. I think that's how this works, maybe. Interesting. Yeah, is that how that works? Let's see. Okay, yeah, and then this. Yeah, like, what are you doing, YBG? Yeah. Okay, so there's your in. This can go, I believe you can plug this into your cigarette lighter or your 12 volt on the car. So that's one way to charge it. Or you can plug it into a block that you have, like a USB, micro USB block. Yeah, I think that's how that works. All right, cool. Well, that was a quick unboxing, sort of quick unboxing. It's turned into 7 minutes. I thought I could do in 2. But yeah, the NOCO Boost HD battery jumper for your car. And supposedly you can do it for up to like massive cars too. Like up to an 8-liter gas engine or a 6-liter diesel. Beast. Anyhow, this was just an unboxing. And thanks for watching. I've been your host, the Yellow Backpack Guy. You're going like, cut. I should probably do a cut version of this. I just don't have time. But anyhow, early Happy New Year's to you all on this New Year's Eve. And I hope you're all doing great. And that's all for now.